Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is about bringing you into alignment with your true self, to bring you into sacred alignment. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine, and I trust that you'll find me today because of your own divine timing. All you need to do to accept this healing is to nod or say yes. Have an open mind. You can have eyes open or eyes closed. Doesn't matter. But just go ahead and feel your sit bones on the chair beneath you or your feet on the ground. Take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Call on the power of Archangel Michael, Uriel, Metatron, Gabriel, Nathaniel, Melchizedek, and all of the other archangels. Trust that this virtual space is sacred and that you are held and protected. The first thing that I see is a golden line from the crown of the head through to the perineum, dropping through the midline as a golden thread. There is an oscillation happening, gentle tremor of energy that is allowing this golden thread to pulse and broaden, opening the channel through your body. Go ahead and take another deep breath as this is happening. You may feel tingle in your root chakra. Just feel the contact of your feet on the ground. I'm hearing a beautiful pulsing hum. And bring your attention to your heart chakra, front and back. And there's a vortex of energy at the front of your heart, a vortex of energy at the back of your heart. And they're gently, nice and slow, starting to spin. And this is drawing out all of the energy that you're holding that no longer serves you, that is no longer in alignment with your highest good. Maybe you've been holding it for other people, people that you love. And I see that the vortices are balanced. So that's the x-axis. Go ahead and take a deep breath into the spaciousness of that energy as it's drawn out. It's like your heart is being charged too, as the energy that no longer serves you is being drawn out. Your heart is receiving a charge from that golden thread that's dropping through. And now that golden thread is shooting up, 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 out of the Earth's atmosphere, out into space, deep into space, into the center of the galaxy. The center of our galaxy. And now that golden thread is dropping down, 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 down into the center of the Earth's core. So you're anchored in the center of the Earth, and the consciousness expansion is up through to the center of the galaxy. Take a deep breath into that spaciousness. Now that your X and Y axis are we have the coordinates, so to speak. Are creating a sphere around you. North, south, east, west, and on either side as well. Go ahead and breathe into the spaciousness of that sphere. Just clearing out any debris, any detritus, any energetic imprints that don't belong to you, anything that you've picked up as you go through life from other people, from the places you've been. Just clearing out that debris. That one's in. I see this sphere is filled with radiant, sparkling light. So you're surrounded by this radiant, sparkling light. Take a deep breath. This sparkling light is all in your field now. Draw it in with the breath into the lungs. Through the lungs and into the blood, into the cardiovascular system, through all of the arteries, the veins, the capillaries, traveling through your body, bringing this beautiful sparkling light, nourishing all of your organs. Take another deep breath. Bring your focus to the throat. In the back of the throat. You can place your hand on your heart if you wish. Just feeling your ancestral line gathering to support you. As you heal yourself, you heal the ancestral line. And their support is palpable, that spirit of guidance. And even if you don't have good relations with your ancestors, those that are in spirit, they're cheering for you on the other side. This is the work. This is why we're here. We're here to heal. Because as we heal Mother Earth. As we heal our hearts and minds, I'm just going to clear the debris of the mind, okay? If there's thoughts, thought forms, rumination, clutter, noise in the mental realm, just go ahead and take another deep breath. And don't judge yourself if there's thoughts that are coming, if you're thinking about what you need to do later, or the shopping, or making dinner, or whatever you're doing. Just let those thoughts waft past. No attachment. Mind is quietening, softening. You can go ahead and just settle into that energy and know that it will reverberate and continue for a few days afterwards as it settles into place. We're creating an energy imprint. And if you feel like you need to revisit this to anchor it in and feel it stronger, you're welcome to do that. Soften as you need. And if you don't feel the energy, don't judge yourself, okay? Some people are more sensitive to the very subtle, others not so much. There's no right or wrong. There's no right or wrong. You are at where you are at. Now I'm hearing that zing, okay? There's a zing that is reverberating through your whole being. That's your sweet spot, that's your zing, that's your alignment. Mind, body, spirit in alignment with a true truth expression open. The heart open and clear, the mind clear. And just feel how that feels in your body. Maybe it's a new experience for you, maybe it feels a little vulnerable. That's okay. With this energy clearing, just be aware that things may surface, right? Just feel them, allow yourself to feel them. And please feel free to comment your experience. I'd love to know if it's working for you. Just going to seal this energy with the gong. I'm broadcasting to you today from paradise, where the earth power is very, very strong. The spirits of the land here are very, very strong. And if you liked what you received today, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It is my guidance to create these healing energy transmissions so that everyone may reap the benefits. One last beautiful deep breath in. Thanks, my loves. See you next time.